Hi, today we're going to talk about cleaning your glass stall shower. A couple of safety tips. Open doors and make sure everything's well ventilated. Turn on your fan. Wear some protective gloves and a mask if needed for the fumes. 10 time-saving tips for your shower. If you can, put all shower items, shampoo bottle, conditioner, soap, all in some type of plastic container. So you're saving time just removing the container instead of each item one by one. If you can, use liquid soap instead of bar soap. It'll reduce your soap scum buildup. And also if you have a soap bar holder, reduce cleaning that. So if you can eliminate that, it'll eliminate the hassle of having to worry about it. Like we talked about on the supplies, a squeegee in the shower. They have the stick-on kind that you can just stick on to glass or any type surface. Use the squeegee after each use. It'll reduce the soap scum buildup, water spots, mold and mildew with the dryer shower. Also, if you can, towel dry the bottom of your shower pan or bottom of your shower. The drier the shower, the better it's going to stay looking for you. Also, not a lot of people know this, but you need to recaulk your shower every 1 to 2 years. If you're cleaning your caulk and it's not looking nice or coming, clean, then it probably is time to replace it. So it's not something that lasts forever. You do need to go in and recaulk every couple of years at least, maybe longer if you can, if you keep the upkeep of your shower better. That's number 5. All right, number 6. Let's see here. There's these rubber inserts that hold your glass, and that they can get really dingy looking. And sometimes you need to get it replaced. You can go to any glass company, and they'll give you the inserts to replace. Our shower's 10 years old, and we've had to replace it. We just replaced it actually this year. And what a huge improvement of the look of your shower. So just check it and see. That might be something, and like I said, any glass company you can go to and they'll give you the rubber stripping so you can take it out and replace it. And if all possible, don't use harsh chemicals or abrasive type cleaners on your glass or heavy duty scrub brush. This don't use this on your glass. What happens is it etches your glass, and then soap scum and the dirt and grime can get in there, and then it just never really looks clean. I just started cleaning houses 5 years ago, and like I said, we've been in this house 10 years, and so my glass is not looking all that great. But I do the best I can with how I used to clean it compared to how I clean it now with this, just with the diaper, with the soft towel. Let's see here. Another time-saving tip is wearing a tank top, because this is great for you to hold your towels or your diapers. I put about 3, tuck it right here in my shirt, and then I have the one that I'm working with to use. And when I'm done, I just toss it out, grab me another one, and start the process again. It just saves you time from going out and getting new towels. You have it all right here. Wearing the apron, definitely a time saver. You can hold your sponge, your Q-tips, which we'll discuss here in a minute, scrub brush, along with the loops here on the side. And I usually carry the Sparkle and the Comet spray on the loops. And let's see here. And then number 10, time-saving tip, just clean your shower every other week for regular maintenance. Should only take you 10 to 15 minutes after that first initial deep clean. Okay, let's quickly go over the products that you'll need for your shower. You'll need the Lysol mold and mildew with bleach. You'll need the Sparkle glass cleaner, the 50/50 water and distilled white vinegar, the Comet bathroom spray, a scrub brush, Q-tips, which I did not cover in the last video. The Q-tips are great for any areas that you cannot spray with the bleach, meaning there's your side tracking right here that sometimes gets buildup of mold and mildew. These Q-tips are great. You can just open, unscrew the lid, dip it in there and run it up and down and get your product on there without spraying all over the place. You'll need your soft bristle toothbrush and also your grout brush as well. Alright, when I first start cleaning the shower, I take the vinegar mixture and I spray the bottom of the tracking of your shower door. I also spray the fixture and the head. And I will let that sit while I work on the rest of the shower. I then grab my Comet spray, which should be in my little loop right here, and I spray the entire shower, the glass and the walls, not the floor yet, but all the interior walls and glass I will spray with the Comet spray. After that, I'll grab my toothbrush and my grout brush, and I go through any of the crevices or the grout that has gotten gunky. Mine usually stays pretty clean. Maybe I'm just lucky. But I will go through, at this time you can take your toothbrush and go around all your fixtures in your head up here and get all the gunk out, along with the bottom of your shower door, the tracking on the sides. Wherever it gets kind of goopy and gunky, use this toothbrush, it'll get it right up. Okay, and then I will have my diapers and I'm going to wipe down the shower. Now, time-saving tip. As we discussed before, you're going to fold it in half so you can use all four sides. And you will start from the top and work your way down. You'll get to a point where it gets too dirty or too full. Switch it over to the other side, do the same thing all the way down to the bottom. And of course, flip it over and do the same thing. Start at the top, work your way down, all the way down, and until you finish where you ended up spraying last. Once you have done that, you're going to take your sparkle and you're going to spray the glass and your fixtures and any metal for a nice finished shiny look. And so you're going to wipe that down and you're going to work your way out of the shower. Now on the floor, it really depends on how neglected your shower floor is and what kind of flooring you have. I have tile with grout. Some of y'all have the white pans. It may need a little more heavy duty cleaner with something like the Comet powder. It's a little more abrasive, but if your shower pan's really bad, then maybe that's something you need along with the scrub brush. If it's just a light clean, maybe all you need is the Comet spray and using the diapers to just wipe out. So you just have to determine how bad your floor is. Once you get in regular maintenance mode, very rarely do I use this. And within 2 weeks, it's hard for me and my customers to really get it that dirty that I need it. But, you know, it's always good to have just in case. Also, on your drain, if you look right underneath, you'll see a lot of pink and maybe some black. You can also spray, when you're done with the shower completely, you can spray that on your drain and it'll get that mold and mildew that's trapped underneath off. Okay, so we are on step number 7, and we are going to put 1 to 2 diapers underneath your shower door here. So I'm going to turn this a little bit, but not that it really matters. But we're working on your shower door. So you're going to spray this with the Comet spray and then wipe it down, and take your toothbrush by your handle, and there's a lot of crevices and things there, and just make sure all the goop's getting up. You're going to wipe that all the way down, top to bottom, using one, same stroke. And then after you're done, you're going to spray it with the Sparkle Glass Cleaner. Do the same thing, wipe from top to bottom. Take that same towel, run it along the bottom of your shower door. A lot of goop and mold and mildew get built up underneath, and it's always good to wipe that off as well. It's something you usually can't see, but when you wipe it, you'll be amazed at how much stuff comes off from that. Okay. That was actually step number 9. Number 10. So we're done with the inside of the shower. We're going to work on the outside, which is, if it's glass in the middle, all you have to use is the sparkle spray. Spray it down and wipe. And like I said, after that first initial deep clean, the regular maintenance cleans should take you 10 to 15 minutes on your shower, depending on the size. This is a regular size shower with a seat, and that's about how long it takes me. I didn't cover the magic eraser. You may, some people like to clean their shower when they're in the shower. This is great to have on hand because you can use it on the glass, on those surfaces, and it's kind of great in between. So if you can't get to your shower every 2 weeks, then maybe while you're in the shower, keep this and at least keep some maintenance of it. And then rinse, and then go through and use your squeegee to dry. So hopefully that helps with the cleaning tips and the time saver tips as well, that you'll be able to get through it a whole lot faster. Thanks.